Hello friends, hope everyone is well. Today we are going to play everyone's favorite extreme motorbikes. The graphics and physics of this game are just amazing. Today I will show you some crazy stunts and high-speed riding. Watch the whole video because there is a big surprise at the end. First, look at this bike of mine. I have customized it a little. Let's hit the road now. The bike control in this game is very smooth. Now, I will try to ride the bike at full speed through the traffic. Oh, see? I narrowly escaped. Now, the real fun begins. Let's try some wheelies and stoppies. Those who have played this game know how difficult it is to do a perfect wheelie. Yes, I did it! Now, I will give a big jump from the ramp in front. Ready? 1, 2, 3, boom! Today's ride was just level. Which bike is your favorite? Be sure to tell us in the comments. If you like the video, like it and subscribe if you want to see more gameplay like this. See you in the next video. Ta-ta. Hey, bro, what happened? The bike is flying in the sky and I'm on the ground. Actually, it's not an accident. I was just checking how hard the ground is. Sometimes, breaking bones while doing stunts has become a rule of this game. No tension. I'm trying again. The police are after me. Let's take the police around the streets of the city today. Let's see if they can catch me. The speed is now 180, 190. Bye-bye, police bro. Those of you who are watching the video, what is your high score? Or what is the maximum speed you have ridden your bike at in this game? Let me know in the comments. Let's see who has the fastest speed. Now, watch this turning in slow motion. Just smooth. For those who love bike riding, this game is actually an amazing